Hi there and welcome to Choice of Voice UK, here to help you on your voiceover journey, whether you're starting that up as a side hustle or alternatively moving along your side hustle and trying to take it to a full-time business. That's what we're here on this channel to help you with. My name's Steve and I'm here because I've done it myself. I started it as a side hustle and I took it to a full-time business, and my aim is to help you along that journey. So that's what we're here, and that's what we're here to cover. So one of the things I want to talk about today is an aspect of marketing, and it's about keeping in contact with people. Now, when you apply for things, more often than not, you're going to get a no response, and we've covered that in a previous video. But one of the most important things is when you get the response, which is said, do you know what, we really loved your voice, but you were just pipped at the post. You were second, third, or in the top 5, but we'd love to work with you in the future. That's when you've got a potential marketing lead. Now, the first thing you do in response to that is to go back, thank them for the feedback if they've given you any feedback, but also thank them for considering you for future work and that you're looking forward to the opportunity to working with them in the future. Great. Now, I've done that and I've received those quite a few times. And actually, do you know what? As a voice over people, the client, they don't necessarily need to do it. Often most clients don't even respond. So when you get a message back like that, you know that you've done really, really well just to get a response back in the first place. Now, the real important thing and the critical thing here is not losing that momentum. So they've told you that you performed well and they want to work with you in the future. So what do? This is all about customer relationship management, otherwise known as CRM. And you may well have seen about CRM in various aspects of different types of business. And all this means is about having a diary system and a system in place for how you make regular contact with clients or potential clients. And this is a part of your marketing funnel. And if you go back to our previous video where we talked about marketing as step 4 of starting up your voiceover business, we talk about making sure that you've got lots going into the marketing funnel. And I'll put a link to that video up in the top right-hand corner for you. So the most important thing is about making contact and keeping contact with those clients, and probably doing it every couple of months. So the first thing to do after you've done the response is to diarise it for a couple of months. Then go back to that client and go, hi, just coming back to you. You said that we could potentially work in the future. Hope all is well with you. Just to let you know, I'm here when you need me. Simple as that. Just a message, just to say, hi, I'm there. Now, if you don't get a response for that, diarise it for another couple of months and then go back to them again. Now, a good way to market and to make regular contact with clients is quite often through holiday times. And when I talk about holidays, I'm talking about Easter and Christmas, wishing them a happy holiday for Christmas, or happy Easter, or alternatively, just summer vacation time, wishing them a great time off from their business and vacation, and just reminding them that you're here. Now, why are you doing this? The reason for doing this is to remind them that when they're looking for their next voiceover, instead of actually scrabbling around and thinking, oh, who was that person we said that was in the top 3 and actually we're going to go back and work? No, what they'll do is they'll re-advertise it, because they won't necessarily remember that they may have said that to you, unless they've got a really good marketing system that they've put it into. But by regularly reminding them that you're there for their voiceover needs, they will come back to you because you will be front of memory. Now, how often do I do this? I do this about every couple of months for a maximum of 6 times. So it keeps the conversation going over the course of a year. Now, one of the videos that I've done recently, I'm going to put a link to the top right-hand corner for you on that, is every voiceover gets replaced and you replace a voiceover. Now, true as anything is in this voiceover business, at some point, a voiceover client you're working with now, you'll lose, and they will go off and find a different voiceover client. But also on the flip side of that is you will be that replacement for someone else that was there. So the best way to do that is to be in the memory of that individual. And that's why having a regular marketing system, a CRM, is a great way of doing it. Now, you might be thinking, oh, I've got to set up a system, set up a process. It could be as simple as actually creating a document on your computer with the name of the individual, the thing that you applied for and when you did and when you last contacted, or a spreadsheet, even easier. And then using your Google Diary or your diary on your emails as a reminder of when to contact these people. So therefore, keeping these two things aligned, you can keep in regular contact and you have that reminder going. If you want to invest in CRM systems, you can do once you get really, really busy and keep it going. One thing I've mentioned before, and if you've going to go back and watch that step 4 video, is sometimes in the voiceover world, you are absolutely stacked out. You've got jobs coming in all of the time. Other times it's really quiet, and it's about making sure that you're using that quiet time effectively to market other clients. And within that marketing funnel comes this part of actually reminding people that have told you that you're up there and actually they want to work with you in the future, that you're there. The other thing it does by reminding people that you're here is it shows that you're a professional in your business and you care about your business. Now, in business, it's a taken that people are going to get marketed. But if you're regularly making contact, and when I say regularly, not more than every couple of months, because if you do more than that, actually it could become across as a bit of a nuisance. But if you're coming across as someone who's regularly in contact, it shows that you take your business professionally and also seriously. So again, it gives great signals to the voiceover client that you're serious about your business. So I really hope that this tip has helped you within your marketing aspect of your voiceover business. And that's what we're here for. Now, if you've got any thoughts on today's video, please leave them in the comments down below. Or alternatively, if you want to contact me directly, you can do it through our website, which is choiceofvoice.co.uk, and you can go to the Contact Us section there. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for dropping in, and I look forward to catching you in our next video. Bye.